I know and understand that planning a Disney trip from Ireland can be very overwhelming. So whether that's Disneyland Paris, Disney World, or Disney Cruise Line, there's a huge amount to think about. You've got to think about flights, tickets, hotels, dining reservations, whether you need Premier access or not, etc. Welcome to Magic Miles Ireland. My name is Lisa and I'm absolutely obsessed with all things Disney and particularly planning Disney holidays. If you're feeling overwhelmed and don't really know where to start, then you're in the right place. Because I'd really like to share the tips and advice that I've learned from planning my own Disney trips. I want to share practical, honest tips to make sure that Irish couples and families can have the very best time when they visit Disney. I want to focus on the things that actually matter when it comes to traveling from Ireland. So that's like the real costs, best travel options, hotels, ticket types, and ultimately how to make the most of your time but without the stress. So this channel, it's not about perfect park days, it's about smart planning and realistic budgets and ultimately helping you decide if a Disney trip is worth it for you and your family. If that sounds helpful, then please do be sure to subscribe and let's start planning your next magical trip 1 mile at a time. See you on the next one.